we'll make basic pizza. We have our flour, salt, yeast, water, and Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Then the thing with pizza, people think na, di ba, dali-dali ng pizza, but no, there's a lot of preparation into it.
Boom! Nice one.
Look at the cheese. Wow, look at the cheese.
Nice cheese. Ganda.
That's yours. Dami to with butong, may butong. Hi, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Go at Home. Today we are preparing homemade pizza. Yan. Usong-uso yung mga pizza, di ba? And just to give you a background on a lot of the things I do in Go at Home, marami mga Italian dishes. Like for example today, we're making basic pizza. Nung bata pa ako, this used to be one of our recipe books at home sa bahay ng lola ko. A book on the cooking of Italy. Dati kasi, wala pang mga internet, wala pang mga website. Binibili mo yung yung encyclopedia, Collier's, Webster, Merriam, yung ganun. So, isa to sa mga books na binibili mo before. This was published by Time Life Books in 1968. Ang dami kong cooking na ito yung ginagamit ko na basis. So, it shows you from north to Sardinia, sa south, and then sa Naples. And then on page 174, alam ko to 174 is the pizza. Yun. So, ito yung art of baking a pizza. Yan, basic lang. What we'll do, we'll make basic pizza. We have our flour, salt, yeast, water, and Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil. Okay? So, since marami tayo dito today, we'll make 1 kilo of flour. And always remember, dapat meron kayong recipe. Try to follow a recipe in making your pizza dough para hindi kayo maliligaw, para consistent lagi yung gagawin mong pizza dough. And while you're preparing all of this, naka-on na yung oven mo. That way, init that way mainit na yung oven mo. Especially yung plate ng oven. That's going to make your pizza cook or bake well. Okay? So, we'll use, for 1 kilo of flour, we'll make our hydration mga 60%. So 60% of 1,000 is 600, no? So we'll use 600 na water, 600 grams, so 0. We'll use 600 grams of water. There. And then, lalagyan na sa mixer. There. That's good. Okay? We'll put 3 grams of yeast. So, again, 0. We'll put 3 grams of yeast. A little more. There. Okay, good. Lagyan dito. Alright. So, we let it mix already. And while we're doing that, prepare natin yung flour natin. We'll put 1 kilo of flour. Okay, so we'll use 1 kilo of flour. And then later on, we'll put in about mga 30 to 35 grams of salt. So we're just trying to mix our yeast, 1 kilo. Dami, 1 kilo. One more. Okay. Should be good. All right. So 1 kilo flour. Tabihan natin to. Slowly incorporate your flour dun sa water. No? Yan. We'll put in siguro mga about 20% of our flour. Lagyan nandito. Let it mix. Yan. Normally, I use a spatula para yung mga nasa gilid ng mga na flour, no? Nami-mix siya ng gusto. There you go. Kung wala kayong mixer, it's okay. You can use your hands. No? Make sure lang na talagang tunaw na yung flour natin, there. Ganda ng panahon, no? Sana ganito lang. Sana hindi tumuloy yung ulan. Good. So, pag na-incorporate siya ng mabuti, slowly add in your flour. There. Yes. Yan. Okay. And then, let it mix. Yun, the thing with pizza, people think na, di ba, dali-dali ng pizza. But no, there's a lot of preparation into it. Lalo na yung mga medyo artisan na mga pizzaiolos. Talagang they prepare their pizza dough 2 days, 3 days before, no? And then let's get ready with 30 to 35 grams of salt. Kahit 40 grams pwede. So I'm putting 35 grams of salt. Yeah, 37. It's okay. Good with me. So ito, bagsak ko lang. Slowly. Yeah. Slowly put it in. Para mag-mix siya na mabuti. Good. And then just push your flour. Kasi yung flour na, hindi lahat na nasasama dun sa dough na nabasa na ng water. No? So try to push the flour para mag-mix siya na mabuti. There you go. So nahalo na. Then we'll continue incorporating our flour. Good. Ginaganto ko siya. Hinawa ko yung ibang dough niya para mag-mix lang ng husto. So I make sure na ma-mix na maayos yung ibang dough niya. There. Kasi usually pag iniwanan mo lang na ganito, ikot lang siya ng ikot pero hindi talaga nagmi-mix masyado. So the new mixers, meron silang rod sa gitna. Doon umiikot yung hook. So yung masa niya, yung dough, yun ang umiikot. So this is basically what we're doing. We're trying to hold part of the dough para umikot ng gusto yung mini-mix natin. I'll do this for about 8 minutes. So while we're mixing this, we'll put in some Doña Elena olive oil. Okay. Put in 20 to 25 grams of oil. There you go. It's 25 grams of extra virgin olive oil for this one. And then slowly, bagsak natin siya. Then, yeah. Okay. Slowly incorporate our oil. There you go. Like what I said, kailangan all ingredients are measured properly. Yeah. By doing this, mas na-incorporate na mabuti yung ingredients ng dough. So 2 more minutes. And then ilalagay natin sa proofing box. Tagalin natin yung dough sa hook. Ito rin, tanggalin natin. Good. Then ko tayong proofing box natin. We'll transfer this into a proofing box. The proofing box will have to be oiled on all sides. Para yung hindi siya didikit, no, dun sa plastic. Okay, good. So babagsak na natin dito. There you go, just like that. Okay. Put some olive oil. Cover na siya ng olive oil. Yan, yep. Good. Nice. Huh? Ganda, oh. Smooth. Good. Oil. And then we'll let it ferment. Yan. We'll close this now. And then we'll let it ferment for about 24 hours. So bukas yun ito pwedeng gamitin. Mas maganda kung bukas yun gagamitin. Okay? This dough we prepared yesterday. no? So, if you take a look at it, ito, nagbabubbles na siya. So, nagfa-ferment na siya. It's been there for about 18 hours. Yeah, 18 hours now. And then, yun isang inang ininid natin. Babagsak natin dito lahat. There you go. Nice. Okay, good. Nice. Ganda ng dough natin, oh. Look. Okay, good. So, nice. Cover it, turn it. There you go. Put it here. Slant it. Turn it. Ganun lang. There. Turn it. And there. Are those ready? Okay. Good. We'll make it rest for about 20 minutes and then babalikan natin siya. And then we'll cut it. And then we can start preparing a pizza. Okay? There you go. Alright. So after 20 minutes, nirest na natin dough natin. What we'll do at this point is that we will make them into balls already. So, our proofing box is here. It's been oiled, no? And then we'll cut our dough into siguro about less than 300 grams. About 280 is good. Good. There you go. So, put in 280. Sticky pa siya, oh. Mataas kasi hydration niya, eh. So, pag mataas hydration niya, ganyan talaga sticky yung dough natin, no? Para hindi siya dumikit sa weighing scale. Okay, just put a little oil. Wala hindi dumikit yung dough sa weighing scale, okay? And then 0. Okay, 0. And we put in our dough. Okay. It's about, yeah, 280 is good, perfect. So 280, sakto na yan. And then turn him to balls. You know, grabe. Ang taas yung hydration nito, eh. Yan, there. Okay. More balls here. Prepare natin yung ingredients natin for pizza or toppings. Alright, let me just clean my table. Ngayon naman, i-ready na natin yung toppings, no? For toppings, it's best to, of course, use mozzarella cheese. But again, if you don't have mozzarella cheese at home, you can use any cheese, quick melt. It's really up to you kung ano yung meron ka. Okay, so I'll use this. So what we'll do, we'll cut the cheese like this, and then we'll cut it into cubes. Pwede mong cut into cubes, pwede mong cut into haba. It's really up to you how you want your cheese. So pag medyo hindi masyado mainit yung oven mo, pwede mo siya i-cubes. Pero pag hindi, pag talaga mainit, you can use na grated yun, no? Grated yung cheese mo. Put it here. Diyan. Next, tomatoes. So we're using Doña Elena quality peeled tomatoes. Yun. Galing. Nice. So buo-buo yung buo-buo yung tomatoes niya. One more. Okay, there you go. Take this out. These tomatoes are really big, you know. There. Nice, huh? Malaki ng tomatoes sila. Oh, nice. See? So what we'll do? Okay. Yun. Hindi na siya ipopuree masyado. Kasi para meron pa rin tayo, no? Para may texture pa rin tayo. Kasi babal na gano'n, no? So you still have the texture of tomatoes. Tanggalin lang natin, ano? Tatanggalin lang natin yung malalaking, ano, yung buo-buo. Kukuha tayo ng basil natin. This is the basil that we're using for our pizza. Okay? So there you go. Ako pa nagdilig dito kanina eh. Tignan mo, ang ganda oh. Talagang napakalinis. Oh, see? There you go. That's the basil we're using. This is the way I like to work no, on my table. Ganyan. And then, lagyan natin ng semolina flour dito. Natin babagsak yung pizza natin. Here's some of the doughs na ito yung mga ginamit natin. Okay. There you go. Yan. So, from here, ikot natin siya pag ganun. And then, we push the air around it. And then tuyok. Ituyok is to move it. There. Okay. Nice. Okay. And then turn it around. Some people they do this. They pull it and then turn. And they pull and turn. No? They pull and turn. Until it gets bigger, pull and turn, you know. Nice. Oh. So, ayan. Then you can use ganyan din. Pwede mo siya ganyan, gravity lang. Para lumaki na lumaki yung dough natin. See? Lumalaki na siya ng konti. So, we'll try to make about 10 to 12 inches of pizza. Take out the semolina flour. And good. See that, oh? Malaki na ba siya? So, maliit pa. So, we'll make it a little bigger. Okay, there you go. You know, pizza doesn't have to be perfect circle. Yan lang. Good. Good. We'll put in some tomatoes kanina. Okay. Two of this. Talsikan ako. Tabi natin yan dyan. Ayan. Put in sauce. And then we'll put in some mozzarella. But what I want is, okay, what I'll do is I'll put some anchovies. Dinurog yung anchovies. I'm not putting slivers of anchovies. I want ganyan paglagay ko ng anchovies. Yun. Pag sliver siya, masyadong malaki, masyadong maalat. So I try to, you know, cut them to durugin yan, again. There. Then, I'll put in my basil. Valiant, come here, join me. Come here. We'll make pizza today.
Yes.
Okay? Si Valiant, pamangkin ko to. Anak to ni Karen, kapatid ni Lucy. There you go.
Yes.
And then we'll put in some cheese. We'll put in some oil first. Okay, good.
Yeah.
And then we'll put in some cheese. Okay. There. How much cheese do you want, Valiant? Plenty?
Whatever you want.
No, I'm asking you. How much cheese do you want?
Anything you want. Because it's your recipe.
Ikaw, what do you want? The thing with pizza,
Should I
you
put
can,
it or no?
you can put anything there. See that? There. How's that?
Oh, that's good.
Good?
Yeah, it looks
Okay.
better when it's cooked.
Okay. Then we'll put some
What cheese is that?
Parmigiano Reggiano. Just like that. Just to bind them all together. Okay. And then hold this for me, Valiant.
This one?
Hold it for me, then. Okay. Hold it lang. Okay. Hold it.
Okay.
We'll put some. Just hold it lang.
Okay.
Don't do anything. Okay. Then we'll put in some flour. Just a little. Just like that. Just to slide it there. Okay. This one we've been
This one, I know how to do this.
Yeah. we've been hitting this kanina pa.
Yeah.
No?
I bet this will cook it properly because it's very hot already.
Okay. And then just boom.
Nice one.
Good.
Yeah.
Then we'll wait. See it?
Yeah.
It's boiling.
This is a good oven. Of
course.
I've seen.
Small one. It's good for an outdoor pizza oven.
Yeah.
Then we'll turn it. Okay. Yeah. Once the sides are brown, we're done.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
I think it's done.
Almost done. One more side. One more side to cook. And we're finished.
Is this also margarita pizza?
This margarita pizza.
Oh. I bet this would be the best.
Yeah. You will like this. There you go. You ready, Valiant?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Okay, here we go. Here's our
Are you sure you
pizza.
can hold it?
There you go. Okay, move here.
All right.
This side. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice one.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
That's it. You want hot sauce with it?
Never mind. It's too
No?
hot. That's too hot.
Okay. There you go. Try it.
All right.
Careful, it's hot.
I know.
Careful, it's
I don't
hot.
underestimate the
Whoa.
oven. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I told you it's hot.
I know.
It's very hot. Nice.
Yeah. We'll try hot sauce later.
See. Look at the cheese. Wow, look at the
Nice.
cheese.
Cheese. That's yours.
Yan pa, oh.
Ganda.
That's yours. Grabe ang bahal yan. Parang 3 araw ka hindi kumakain, ha? Huh? Is it good? You like it?
Yeah. At least I say shout out to my friends
Yeah.
who joined you the last time.
Yeah. Remember when we did pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Init.
Yummy.
So hot, Valiant. How can you eat that?
Challenge.
Mm.
Yummy.
Hot. Dami to with butong. May butong.
Mm. Lami kayo.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I like about this oven
Right.
because it cooks it properly. Unlike the regular oven.
Yeah. The oven at home.
Yeah, the regular oven gets it dry instead.
No, more than that, the regular oven at home doesn't reach about 500 to 900. To make good pizza, I need about 500 to 900. The longer you cook it, it becomes crispier. But with 900, wow, it's really fluffy.
I know, right?
Drink the butong.
Butong?
Yeah, good. Good?
Yeah.
One more. Careful. Oh, there you go. Mm,
Nice cheese string.
nice cheese.
Good pizza.
Nabilawakan ka. Mm. Okay. Mm.
I wish my friends were here.
I know.
Yeah.
Next time when you go home to Ormoc.
Yeah. My friends have been always looking forward to join Gom at Home.
Yeah. Good.
Mm.
Toast.
Mm.
Perfect. Huh? The buto in the pizza. Is it good? It's good, di ba?
Tastes like basil a bit.
Yeah, it's, of course, it's basil. Just basil, man.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for joining me here at Gom at Home. Thank you, Violet, for joining me and eating my pizza.
Yes.
I hope you like it.
Yes, I do.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much. Do this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends and enjoy it with your family.
Yes.
I'll see you again
Peace
next
out.
time, right here in Gom at Home. What's that?
Peace out.
Peace out. Come on, let's peace out. Yes. Okay.
My friends watch your Gom at Home video a lot. They're probably gonna
Do this.
be surprised.
One more.
All right.
Mm.
My friend would tell me, "Hey, Value, why you not bringing me to Manila?"
Now we're gonna go home.
Yes. My friend loves to cook steak.
One more.
Yeah, hold on.
Tara. Mm. No?
Mm.
Damn. Huh? I'll charge you for this, Valiant.
How much?
Mm. Maybe 50 pesos per slice. Pwede na. No? Good.
I can't make 50 pesos in a day.